As a mobile app company, everybody knows Mobango, so I'm not going to do an intro. If you can.
Yeah, good evening everyone. I'm Amit Chheda. I'm from Mobango, and it's let me tell you about the Mobango. Mobango is a free app store. It provides application, games, downloads. You can download n number of times. It's totally free. Totally free. So let me tell you some background about the mobile ad industry. Mobile ad industry is going leaps and bounds. You can show from the graph. Currently, it is having 2 billion in 2012. Now it will turn to in future it will turn to 5 billion. And app downloading also you can see 2 billion to 8 billion. So good growth over here. Uh, what are the challenges for users? Users are finding very difficult to manage the apps as well. Now, frequently there is shifting, changing of mobile. So what it has resulted in is loss of applications. So the what is happening is all Apples and all Androids that free apps are very limited. So what is happening is consumer find it difficult to manage and discover the free apps. So the uh, it will be difficult for customers to manage the apps as well. Next slide. The developers. What are the challenges for developers? Developers are the person who want to promote their products. What they face is they are going to have some multiple app stores systems. They have to upload testing processes. So the app discovery, unless their apps are having developers having popular apps, so popular apps, their apps finding will be difficult. So and even if user change the handset, then the developers lose that customers. So global maintaining global database for a developer is a huge challenge. So what is there to save this? Mobango. Mobango is an global scale, globally reachable. It's in social. It's available on all cross platform. It provides users world-class apps, free. That is absolutely free, and helps the developers to market and monetize their products. This is how the Mobango looks like. The pages, home pages. Uh, it has application page. It has review sharing page. Some of the core features are written over there. It runs on XHTML, which is it can be run on every device. Then it has application reviews. It is having Mobango Showcase, which shows every apps. Then it is having search option. Then it is having app reviews. For users, Mobango is having more than 8 million registered users, and over 1 million customers, registered users upload, more than 1 million have uploaded their content. What users do is generally they chit chat, then they interact with each other on Mobango frequently, and developers also they are users, so they have followers. They can see the users' performance as well. For developers, what is the Mobango Mint is it's a low CPA model. CPA means cost per acquisition of acquiring the customers. What you see is generally when developers want to promote their product, they normally go to the ad agencies. Ad agency, what they do, they charge based on clicks. Clicks, so cost per clicks are something very high nowadays. But if you come to Mobango, what Mobango does is charge based on PPD model. PPD model means it's a pay per download. It's basically what your apps have been downloaded for. Only for that much there is a charge.
Amit, last 1 minute. 1 minute left.
1 minute. For if you see the how it works, the charge, if you go through the ad agencies, it roughly come about $1.5. Here in, if you come through Mobango, it's basically a PPD model. Your charges will be limited, hardly 30 cents per download. This is how the technical platform is there. We have developer can pay per download, and developer, this is how it works. It's Mobango advertising the Techniture, what is there. PPD model, how it works is, developers can set PPD for their device, set maximum daily budget, and they can run their campaigns as well. We have 8 million users, 1 billion total downloads. We have totally 1 million daily downloads. We have 1 lakh apps. We have 1 million content pieces. This is something downloads per visit. When customer comes per visit, we have 2.5 downloads. These are some of the developers. Opera Mini, Facebook, UC Browser, Quip. In summary, I can say is Mobango is world top 10 global apps distribution platform. It has strong developer testimonials, and customer stickiness are improving day by day. So Mobango has all ingredients to be a large app store. Thank you.
Thank you, Amit.
Thank you very much. This is wonderful. Thank you for your presentation. I guess there's some app developers here in the room. Are there anybody here who develops apps? Can you show your hand? So are you using Mobango already? Okay, so what would be your question to the presenter which would convince you that you want to do it tonight?
In-app purchase, yeah, we have.
And do you charge more for in-app purchases?
No,
No.
Not much.
That's the question. Any other questions from anybody else? Now, I want to ask Tommy Ahonen, who is there already. Have you known about Mobango before you came here? And what's your assessment of Mobango?